Hello.
Hello. Now it's clear, Divya. Tell me.
Okay. Sir, actually, some basic questions there. Like
Hmm.
I have figured out that I would take time to get on the track because like I have a lot of unanswered questions. So, I would start with basic. I want to know like what is actually cross product.
Okay.
I mean, I know it bears it bears a resultant which is perpendicular to the two vectors, but actually, like why we need it? What is it actually? How would I define a cross product?
Very good question. Very good question. Okay. Now, cross product when you say, see where and all it is used. I will tell you. One of the example is moments itself. Okay, where you have moment about a point. Cross product is related to rotation, Divya. It is always related to
Okay,
rotation. Okay, what causes rotation is cross product. Okay, for example, if you have two vectors, for example, if you have a r vector and a force vector here, correct, what is it causing? It is causing the rotation of this momentum, correct. So this
okay,
this is the main application of the cross product.
okay,
Okay, this is case of strength of materials. If you consider fluid mechanics, every material, every fluid particle in a flow, if it rotates about an axis, okay, then we take the cross product there. What we take del. What is del? We will see later. Del cross V we take, and we call it vorticity. Okay, so always when we say cross product, you can think about rotation generally. Okay, whereas there are some
okay.
exception also, just like area need not be considered as rotation. Okay, but still
Yeah,
area
yeah.
we get through cross product only, but the direction is perpendicular to the surface. Okay, yes. See, it depends. See, this is a mathematical one. Where it is applied is a lot of places it is applied. Okay, but if you consider strength of materials or fluid mechanics, you can consider it as rotation. Okay, yeah.
Okay, okay. But still, sir, the thing is, these are the application, right?
Yes.
I want on what basis cross product stands. I'll give you example. If you ask me like how you define matter,
Hmm.
then I would tell you that it is something that occupies space and volume, right?
Correct.
So, what is like cross products? Uh, we used it in area, no?
Hmm.
Half into AB into AB vector into AD vector last time.
Hmm.
So, like, why we had to use that only? Why not something else?
Okay.
Because like area of triangle is half into base into height, na?
Correct.
So why AB into AD?
Correct.
Because those are sides.
Correct. Correct. See, Divya, we have to see how the whole area came into picture. How did it come about? Okay, how mathematician came about this? Okay, actually it comes from applications. For example, work was considered as a dot product. Correct. F dot ds was the work. This was the definition which was given initially. So from the work product, when we saw work comes like this, then we defined dot product. It's like physics and mathematics is sometimes through physics physicist you get maths,
Okay.
and from maths you refine this. Okay, so that it is in a proper order. Okay, we get some insights, we need some tools for physics, and that tools we develop by observing. Okay, so why things
Okay.
becomes difficult is because we are not familiar with how the things have come about. Correct. So now
Yeah, yeah,
why it has come, why did it start initially, that was the pain trouble we have in imagining, and we get stuck sometimes in that. Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah.
one of the main thing what happens is when physicists, not physicians, physicists, okay, when physicists see some things, they want to define in some fashion, and they use some crude mathematics. what they use crude mathematics initially. This crude
Okay.
maths is refined by mathematicians, and this
Okay.
refined maths again is used by physicists to have further discoveries. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
that is how it has come, whether it is cross product or dot product, it has come through that. Then we saw where the
Okay.
application is. Okay, now if we want to understand it properly, then we have to see the history of science, history of physics and history of maths.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Like exactly where I wanted to get into that point. That's
Exactly,
exactly what I need.
exactly.
Yeah.
So each one has a story behind, Divya. If you
Yeah.
consider work product, cross product, everything, it has a story. Okay, where did it
Yeah.
start from? If you have to see, there is something called Euler's Mechanica book. It is freely available on the internet. Okay,
Okay.
Euler's thesis called Euler's publications. It is something in 1700s. Okay,
Okay.
he starts from basics. I have read that few. Okay, so he starts from very basics. What is force? What is movement from one place to other? From there it starts, and in that only he has
Okay.
defined this E, Euler's number E, which is equal to
Okay.
2.71.
Okay. The E raised to one, no?
Exactly, and
Okay.
log ln. Why that is important?
Okay.
And then people have
So
used
like
used this in compound interest also.
okay.
There are a lot of applications of this. Yeah, tell me.
So like could you do you have PDF of it? This
I will
Euler's
send you the link. I
mechanics?
will send you the link. It is freely available. It is not a
Okay.
PDF. It's an internet link which is there. Okay, and some
Okay.
university has given it free of cost for anybody to access it.
Okay.
So I'll give you that. But it takes a
Okay,
long
sir.
time, Divya. I'll tell you. I will not ask you to go to that if you are going for gate preparation now. Okay, this Euler's Mechanica or Newton's Principia, okay, all these things are freely available. Okay, so if you have to go there, then I think you should go for a longer haul. Okay, you should not think you will finish it off, then you will understand. It's good that you have interest in these things.
Yeah, sir. Sir, no, like I won't do it fully. I don't want it fully. I just want like what I'm currently reading currently right now. Like what all subject we have done now. So at least for that, if I get, then it is fine. Because like until I get that, I don't think like I would fully able to put myself into it.
Okay,
So I need
okay.
that. Yeah.
I give you that to you, so you can see that and
Okay.
you can see how it has come, and you can appreciate that whatever tools we have got now is around
Hmm.
400 years of hard work by various people.
Yeah. Yes,
It is
sir.
not just like that it has come.
True. Yeah.
Okay, there are various scientists who has worked for more than 400 years, and after that we have
Okay.
got these techniques. They have refined, they have done trial and error. They said this has worked, this doesn't work, that works, that doesn't work. It's extreme. You will really appreciate that when you see the basics.
Yes.
Okay, yeah,
Yes.
fine. Thank
Yeah,
you.
okay,
I think
sir.
I have
Thank
answered
you.
you. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.